Hello everyone, this is Perfect Days here and welcome to my channel. My question today is, what is on your wish list? So it's always lovely to receive a gift, and recently I got something really exciting in the mail that I'm going to unbox with you. So a company called Nordgreen contacted me and asked me if I would like to pick out a watch, and I was so excited when I checked out their website. This is the watch that I chose. It looks even more beautiful in person than it did on the website. So it comes in this beautiful box that you can use as a gift or for storage. And their boxes are made out of 100% recycled paper and plastic, and they use as little packaging as possible. When I received this package, the box was actually almost the exact shape of this box. So they didn't have, let's say, a box with extra packing peanuts or plastic in it. So here's the watch. I'm so excited about the one that I chose. I took a long time to decide because I like both gold and silver hardware. If you are a longtime follower of my channel, you know that I love handbags, and my handbags have either gold or silver hardware. It was hard to decide which one that I like better, and so I think that this will work for both types. I also like this watch because it has such a minimalistic look to it. It has this beautiful face. I chose the design that's called the native watch. It has just the notches, no numbers on it, and it is very thin. And the face I chose is the white one, but they have different colors as well. I also had the opportunity to choose a couple of straps. And so here's the black one with the silver hardware. And I'm just showing you the notch on it that makes it interchangeable. And having a watch with interchangeable straps is really great for me. I'm somebody who wants to keep minimal things in the house, but also to have options. And so I chose the black one and this dark brown one. I think the other size of this one is sold out, so I know this color is super popular, and I chose the actual genuine leather, but they also have vegan leather. They have nylon straps, which I think would be really good for working out, and they also have mesh and chain link straps. So here I'm just taking off the chain of this one so I can switch the strap, but also get a better look at the actual watch. Here I'm just taking off the sticker in the back so I can give you a closer look at what the back looks like. So it looks like this. And I like that the watch itself is pretty thin. And this is the front. And so here I am wearing the watch with the brown strap. I really like the way that this looks. This minimalistic look is something that I've always admired in other people, and now I'm so glad that I have one of these watches. So here it is again. And as you can see, the watch goes really well with my purse. And the black strap goes really well with this purse. I really like the combination of these two items together. And so here I'm just wearing a flutter sleeve top with a tweed skirt. And yes, I'm excited to wear this out. I really like the versatility of the different straps. And so I just want to talk to you a little bit about the company, because it isn't just the product itself. The product itself is lovely and it is versatile. And it is just right up my alley. As you can see, this one here with the gold and silver would match handbags that both have gold and silver on it. So as you can see, it goes with this purse and this one as well. So I just want to talk a little bit about Nordgreen. I was very impressed that it meets really high standards, both in terms of their social impact and their environmental impact. So I mentioned earlier that their packaging is made out of recycled paper and plastic, and their shipping was not only fast, but they put it in such a tight little box that there's no extra waste. each watch also contributes to a meaningful cause. So for example, there's some of their causes include Water for Good, Cool Earth, and Pratham UK. And as of now, when I last checked, they had over 45,000 months of clean drinking water that they provided. For Cool Earth, they have preserved over 1 million square meters of rainforest, and they have had over 5,500 months of education given to children. I love that when you buy something that you are also giving back and also being responsible to the earth. So I wore my new watch and I went to the farm, as you can see, and I went on a wagon ride. I'm feeding the goats here. This particular one with the brown strap goes really, really well for autumn, and I think that it will carry me into all seasons of the year. And here I am with the silver and gold watch that I had adjusted for my wrist, and I think it goes well with the purses that I'm trying on over here. I have worn this one since I filmed these clips, and I really like this one for work. I think it is a great touch of elegance and professionalism. And so I have a coupon code for everybody. It is Perfect Days, so that's easy to remember. So it's 15% off. They're actually having a Black Friday sale really soon, and so this is from November 7th to the 30th. My coupon code gives another 15% off on top of whatever deals that they already have. So it could be up to 40% off. So it's a really great time to buy a watch for yourself or gift it to a loved one. I would love to receive this as a gift. I feel like a lot of the other straps I'd be interested in. I'm wondering what is on your wish list currently, because the holiday season is coming up and I do have a lot of the things that I do want, and so I feel very grateful. As I said, any gift that anybody wants to give to me is always very special. Thank you so much, and until next time, I wish you all perfect days.